am shocked right now. Look, this looks like it's coming from my scalp. What's up, y'all? It's Mariah Lisa and I'm back with another banger. Okay, today is yet another exciting review. If you didn't already know, it's a wig. And it's not only just a regular wig. No, it's not a headband wig. I am bringing back another braided wig for the summer. If you haven't seen the Realistic Fulani braided wig that I purchased off of Amazon, go ahead and check that up in the link below. Otherwise, I'm gonna give y'all the scoop on a whole new braided wig. It's by the same company, Bonnet, off of Amazon, of course, for like $150. So goodbye to long days sitting in the chair. Here's the solution. Let's go ahead and check this wig out. Okay, again, this wig is by Bonnet. It came in the exact same packaging as my previous braided wig. This is the Bonnet 30-inch 13x6 lace front knotless box braided wig made with 100% hand braided synthetic or Kanekalon braiding hair. All right, so here is the wig. I can already tell by the parts. Ooh, this joint is about to be fire. And it's definitely, I'm definitely getting 30-inch vibes. In the packaging, it came with wig caps, never the color I like to use, some lashes, some jewels to put in the braids, just like the packaging did for the other braided wig. So if you guys do decide to get both, you will have 2 pairs of the accessories. This is the wig itself. It looks very realistic. There's a decent amount of lace that we can still cut off. This is definitely a frontal, a 6-inch frontal or 13x6-inch frontal because it does go ear to ear. You can see they gave you a lot of baby hair to work with. This is the inside, so you can see it is only a lace front, not a full lace wig. You can see the tracks. The adjustable headband to make sure this wig is snug, and as well as the staple clips that come in the back of most wigs. And can't forget the combs that are in the back of the wig as well as the middle of the wig. Okay, let's go ahead and put the wig on.
First, I get my wig settings correct by adjusting the clips and the adjustable band so it fits my small sized head. Wow, first impressions, I am shook. Look at the parts. It really looks like it's coming from my scalp.
Okay, so what do y'all think? I'm impressed. I think I'm going to try this. I saw this at Target and ended up ordering off of Amazon. It's the Even Tinted Lace Spray. And I saw in a couple people's videos, so I'm gonna try it out.
Off camera, I sprayed from the midpoint of the lace all the way up to the hairline, and I even sprayed some of my wig cap to make sure to get the closest blend in color.
You definitely have to be careful because now I got the spray in the wig.
Personally, I think it was worth it. I think the spray really did tint it because look how close the scalp color is to my skin. Okay, now for the install. So I like to make little slits at the front of the lace so it's easier to cut it and I can get the most even and precise cut toward the hairline.
Like I said, I think they left quite a bit of baby hairs out for you to play with.
I just cannot stop talking about how the parts look. They look so good and crisp. Next, I get my Got2b Glue Hold Spray and I spray the hairline and I spray up into the second row of braids to promote adhesion of the wig. And then I get a wider scarf and make sure to tie the wig down as tight as I can so it really starts to seal to my head. I leave it tied for about 15 minutes and then I come back to check to see if the wig is pressed to my head. I found this long bonnet off of Amazon. I really like it because it keeps the hair off my neck, and it's not just for this but for all long protective styles. The wig is looking pretty good so far. It's almost like it's melting into my face, but now it's time to set it with the blow dryer. Now that the wig is pressed and secured to my head, it's time to lay and slay these baby hairs. First, I comb them out and then I go in with some scissors and cut them to my desired length. Not to your surprise, I go in with Eco Styler Gel, the argan oil kind, and I start forming my swoops. I don't usually do this, but I decided to lay each side individually, so I went in with a thinner scarf just for edges and laid one side for about 10 minutes. After that side is finished setting, I go in and I start working on the other side. Do the exact same things, brush them out, cutting to my desired length, and then going with the Eco Styler Gel and form my swoops. I could tell that this was going to be a bomb look, so I had to throw on some makeup, you know, get into myself. I was really feeling myself, but look at the reveal. The right side did not set as well, so I'll probably end up redoing them, but otherwise I'll probably just wear my hair and cover it for now.
I did just mess up one side of the swoop. Here we are. There are a lot of braids on this wig, but I also kind of appreciate that. This is probably how I will wear it. Yeah, what do y'all think? I am shocked right now. Look, this looks like it's coming from my scalp. And for $150, will I ever sit in the salon chair again? What? The least I've ever paid for knotless braids was $215, and this was $150, 2-day shipping, and this literally probably took me a total of 30 minutes. If you've already got it customized, you can plop this thing on and have your look done in 10 minutes. What? This is cute. I want to show you the length of it. Here's the hair, right? But I'm not that tall, so it's coming from underneath my butt. It's long. This is 30 inches. This is a true 30 inches. So yeah, it's like a whole knotless braided wig. Look at the braids. Look at them. I don't even have to undo them because they're not loose. They're tight. Look like they're coming from the scalp. Yes. So yes, now I have 2 braided wigs on deck in my closet, ready to go to be summertime fine. I'm hype, y'all. This is so cute. Anyways, I linked this wig in the description box below, so you can also purchase this wig. It is about $160. If you have Amazon Prime, you'll get 2-day free shipping. Yes, listen, I'm about to call somebody up and go somewhere because I look way too good right now to not go nowhere. Again, if you haven't seen my other braided wig by the same vendor on Amazon, check that out. I hope this video was helpful in finding a wig that is affordable for you, as well as being able to style it in a way that you like. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for more natural hair videos, workout videos, lifestyle videos. Just check out the videos in my channel, y'all. And please remember to subscribe for good vibes, and I will see y'all in the next one.